Hey everyone, I'm Brian.
And I'm Nikki.
And we are cooking with the Cotas.
Today we are actually drinking with the Cotas. We are making Moscow Mules, one of my favorite drinks when we go out.
Mine as well. I love them.
So let's get started. So we have all of our ingredients in front of us. The first ingredient that I want to point out is the ginger beer. We have a regular as well as a sugar-free option. The sugar-free option is made with stevia, so if you're watching your sugar intake, this is a great alternative.
In addition to our ginger beer, we have some great natural ingredients that we're going to be using. This is different than a typical Moscow Mule because we're going to be muddling today, which we'll talk about more in a little bit. We have fresh ginger, lime, and mint. These three ingredients are going to bring a more natural, robust flavor to this drink.
Yep, and then we have our vodka and our tools to get this drink going, so
let's get shaking. So first, in making this Moscow Mule, we are going to juice our lime. We want a couple ounces of lime juice, and this is just going to be done by us cutting the lime and squeezing it into our mixing cup that we have. What you do want to do with these limes before you juice them is roll them and add some pressure to them. This helps loosen up the lime so that you get the most juice out of it that you can. And this one, we are going to only juice half of it, and we are going to use the other half for muddling. We are going to add 6 mint leaves to this, and we are also going to add ginger. What we want to do is peel the skin with a spoon. If you use a potato peeler or any other peeler, it is a thinner skin, so you're going to peel too much of it and you will lose some of the ginger. So we have our ginger that we've peeled. We're just going to use a small piece cut off for it. For this, we just want maybe 5 to 6 slices or so, nothing major for it. Make sure to curl those fingers, otherwise your wife will yell at you. So we now have our pieces of ginger that we'll use with this, just a small handful. We're going to throw it in with our mint and our lime that's in there, and then we are going to add our lime pieces. First we're going to add 2. We're going to muddle it some, and then we will add 2 more. And this is an actual muddling tool, but you can always use some kind of spoon or something that's going to add pressure to these, and you just press it down, and you can do a quarter of a turn, and you keep pressing it down with a quarter of a turn, and that adds pressure and crushes those limes that are in there and releases those lime juices as well as some of the natural oils of the lime, along with the natural oils of the mint and the ginger. We're going to add 2 more limes into this and continue muddling this. Now that we have everything muddled together, we're going to add a cup of ice to it. We are going to add 2 ounces of vodka. Now this is actually a Moscow Mule set, so this is exactly what we need. 2 ounces of vodka is a shot and a third. There's 1.5 ounces of vodka in a shot. We are going to lid it and shake it. With this shaken, we are going to pour it into our glass. We already have some ice cubes in this glass. If it's hard to drain too, you can't always try to shake it out or just move it around. Sometimes the lime fibers will get caught in there. It's just extra fiber for your drink. You didn't know this was going to be healthy. With that, we are good to add our ginger. Again, you can add a regular ginger beer or even the ginger beer with less sugar in it. You can add anywhere from 4 ounces to, this is a 12-ounce ginger beer. It depends how strong you want the drink to be, as well as how full you want that cup to look. For this, we are going to add almost the full cup. And finally, what's going to really make this drink perfect for you and feel like you're in a bar. Add a little mint leaf on top, and you add a lime wedge to the edge, and we are good to drink. So that's how you make a delicious homemade Moscow Mule. We're gonna have Nikki try this to see how she likes it.
I'm so excited. Wow, that's better than anyone I've ever tasted.
It's the natural ingredients. It makes it pop and it makes it delicious.
I think my dad would like this. He's actually been in the background watching us shoot, and he's really interested in this Moscow Mule.
She's just gonna take this off our hands.
So thank you so much for joining us today on Drinking with the Cotas. Tune in next time.
Thanks again for tuning in to Drinking with the Cotas today. Please like and subscribe below.